See the Asian elephant? Up it. Big boy. Went to see boy. Ooh. See, like the Asian elephants? See? What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, just putting us on a video?
No, I'm just pretending.
Why?
For fun.
What about you doing it for real?
Okay.
Wait, let's start.
Okay.
This is a fur wool baby. See? See, baby? There's a fur wool. Yeah, my head. Look at. He eats apples and other fruits. But what's that? This is a snow leopard. He eats markhor, especially when they're on the mountains, and they survive in the snow and on mountains. The beluga. Belugas live in the cold water of the ocean. What? Yeah, that's a bee, baby. Good boy. Belugas are white. Sometimes humans call belugas beluga whales. They're a white whale, and they live in the cold water by North America, Europe, and Asia, and the Arctic.
Edie.
And sometimes
What are you doing?
they eat underwater.
Edie, you're so funny.
Many wolves have really long legs. What? M. Yeah, that's M. Good boy, baby. Many wolves live in South America, and they have long legs.
Is it yucky?
And they have big ears. And they eat mice. When a wolf gets mad, he opens his mouth and points out his big jaws. Like he's gonna eat you.
Aiden, tell me something. Tell me, what does Yzma say? Okay. What does she say?
Say that this Alama.
Say it loud.
Alama.
Then what does she say? Edie, what does she say? A llama, and then what?
He's supposed to be dead.
Yeah. Edie, now you say it. Okay, I'm watching. No, say it. A llama.
And who wants it? Hey.
What does Crunk say?
Bye. Yeah. Hey, Dad, ready to take this part? Llama. She's supposed to be dead.
Yeah, and then what does
That's
Crunk
about
say?
your back, baby. You're such a good boy. They live in Asia. Mouse ear bats eat flies that come out of the night. Sometimes 100 of them could hang upside down at a time.
Oh, wow.
Sometimes only one hang up with just one foot holding on.
Oh, my goodness.
Mouse ear bats are good flyers. They fly like almost all the way to South America.
Oh.
I mean,